Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete an album on your Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete an album on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And to delete an album, let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there, and after that scroll down a little bit, and you can see just below the post category you can see the photos. Tap on photos, and now after landing on this interface you can see the albums over here. Tap on albums, and now select the album which you want to delete from your Facebook account. For me it will be this one. Now to delete it, you can see the three line icon or the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the delete option available over here. Tap on delete, and again delete, and the album will be deleted shortly. And there guys, this is how you delete an album on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.